If Photopea is giving you a login error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of stored cookies, blocked scripts, browser extensions, or even a network issue, so if Photopea won't let you log in or it keeps failing to load properly, follow along and we'll troubleshoot it together. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. It really helps the channel and it tells me to make more videos like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is clearing site data for Photopea. Sometimes Photopea saves old cookies or cached files in your browser, and those can cause expired authentication tokens or broken login sessions. To fix that, open your browser settings and go to your privacy or site data section. Then look for Photopea specifically and remove its cookies and cached data. You do not need to clear everything in your browser if you only want to reset Photopea. Once the site data is removed, close the tab completely and reopen Photopea in a fresh tab. Then try signing in again and see if the error is gone. If that does not work, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, strict privacy tools, script blockers, and some security extensions can interfere with Photopea's login pop-ups or authentication process. Open your extensions menu and temporarily disable anything that might block scripts, cookies, or pop-ups. If you have multiple extensions installed, it is a good idea to turn them off one by one so you can identify which one is causing the problem. After disabling them, refresh Photopea and try logging in again. If it works, you know the issue was caused by one of those extensions. Now, if the login error still appears, use Incognito Mode as a quick test. Incognito or private browsing mode starts with a cleaner session and usually turns off many extensions automatically. Open a private window, go to Photopea, and try logging in from there. If Photopea works in Incognito but not in your regular browser window, that strongly suggests the issue is related to a browser extension, cached data, or a browser setting blocking the login process. In that case, you can focus on cleaning up the main browser setup instead of the website itself. Another important fix is switching networks. Sometimes the problem is not your browser at all. Certain VPNs, office networks, school networks, or strict internet providers can block the authorization servers that Photopea needs to complete login. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. If you are on a restricted Wi-Fi network, switch to a mobile hotspot or another internet connection and test Photopea there. A different network can quickly tell you whether the issue is being caused by your connection rather than your browser. So the full process is simple. Clear Photopea site data, disable extensions that may be blocking login, test in Incognito mode, and switch networks if needed. In most cases, one of those 4 fixes will solve the problem and get Photopea working again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software fixes, app tutorials, and browser troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.